Right everybody, with a nice little quick one today. I've got a Volkswagen ID Buzz, so we're going to take it out, do a few shots of it, and yeah, that's it really. Nothing else to say really other than that. We're going to go out here through these containers, go to the end and take the photos here. I'm going to stay near the end just so I'm in the shade. And that'll do there quite nicely. It's got a warning on it because the key battery needs changing. So we are using Canon R50 with the Sigma 2.8 18-50, and then my filter's fallen down, but I've got this Canon filter, which is a CPL and an ND combined, which makes this really helpful for this. It's quite sunny, we've got sunset coming now, so we're going to look to be quite quick going around. And then I've got the gimbal, so we're going to do a few shots with that, a few detail shots, and then that'll be it really. I mean, while I've got it, I might as well do the interior. I'm going to clear this memory card because I've got all them, so why not start inside. So we'll start with the wheel. Wouldn't normally start on the interior, but why not? Settings are all good. I want to focus on the badge. Lovely. That screen is absolutely covered, but it's not the end of the world. We'll go through there. Stop focusing on that symbol. Let's try this. Spot focus. Lovely. And then we're going to go just over this seat. Lovely. And then open this door slightly. Hold that. In there through the door. Maybe a little bit better actually. Lovely. That'll do for that. It's a little bit dirty. Got a bit dusty, so we'll do what we can with it. We're going to be shooting here about 24. We're going to get a wide one with these containers. Let's just zoom in here, see where we're at with the CPL. That looks alright actually, not much reflection on that. So yeah, the CPL is really good because it just takes out any of them reflections. That looks really good with them containers actually. So we're going to do 3/4 around. I like that with the sun. It's got to get a little bit of a glare. So your best way of doing this, what I find, is you do low, like get down low, looking up, waist height, then one from above. And that gives you a load of nice little angles. Start wide, give yourself a lot of space around, a lot of space to work with. Put your grid on your camera. So we're going to use that CPL. Get rid of them reflections. Lovely. I'm going to change that area focus back to that. I'm just going to get that sun so I can see. So low, waist height, up from above. Then rear 3/4. Same again. Right, we're going to take out the reflections. Come on, there we go. Low, mid, and high. Then we're going to go for some of the detail shots. So my favourite one at the minute is the 3/4 on an angle. Get a bit further back. 3/4 on an angle. Let's just switch that circuit polarize around. Yeah, that's nice. And then we're going to turn the wheel slightly. Yeah, that bar's gone now. And then up. I'm going to zoom out a bit for that. Really focus on the wheels. Again, on an angle, makes a great shot. And we're going to go again there. So another one for this is your framing. So, don't know if you can see my camera, I've got my grids on. I'm just keeping that. Sorry, I'm just trying to get rid of this reflection. Let's put that around a bit. Come on, where are we? Right, I think that's best we're getting. Focus on that wheel. Yes, I'm just not crossing. I'm leaving a covering 2/3 of them, and that makes a really interesting framing. I'm going to go up here again, just using the lines, following the car up. A bit of framing, so I've got diagonals on and my squares, and we're just sticking to them. I wonder if I can get a bit of sun in here. So if I go over here, that's quite a cool shot. Now let's go for the badge. Nice. Anything else really we want to shoot on here? Lights maybe, if I get the lights on. This is one thing that's cool. So let's take off auto ISO. What have I done here? Turn off auto ISO, change the polarize around, and I can really darken that and expose the lights. Okay, so we're now set with the gimbal. I'm just gonna set this up how I want it. So I want you there. Set you off recording, and all we're going to do is walk round, try and keep as steady as possible, And we're just going to point the gimbal at the car. It's not as smooth that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go forwards and back. So let me set this up. Start here. All I want you to do is follow around. Here we go in the middle. Right, that's not too bad. We'll come round front and just start here. Slowly pan. Then we'll start here at the wheel. Right in. And just come back. Over, round, and back. Nice. Then, looking in follow mode. Bring it back down. And we'll start here on badge. Over here. Come over. Nice. We'll try that again. Just because I didn't quite get the centre. So we start here light. Come over. Over the badge. Over the line. Nice, then we'll come in. What's that badge? Got a load of different shots here. Nice. A lot of different things to work with. Start the wheel. Oh, there we go. Camera set frame, battery's about to die. Don't work them down. Oh, there. It's going to end the recording, change my camera battery. Let me just turn this off. Right. Should be juicing you. The last one I want to do is the interior. So I'm going to bring you down, set you off. I'm just going to sit in the middle. I'm going to do the same back. Over there. And out there. Then let's put this in roll mode. In fact, I don't need to put it in roll mode, do I? I'm just going to zoom in. Right in on that wheel. And just come out. No, that's not going to work. Never mind, we'll scrap that one. So let's start out here. And in. Nice one. Lovely. And the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set this up over here, like so. And I'm going to do a video, just me going past, get in the car, I move my brake, and off we go. I'm going to go round the camera Did that run over my gimbal? Come back in. And just for the last shot, we go in between these containers. Lovely. Right, I'm just going to unclip my camera. Come on, there we go. Did it wrongly, but that's why. I'll sort that out in a sec. In fact, let's just lock these back in. Lovely, right, we're good. Right, let me take that off. Leave that there for the time being. And I want just a picture of it. Get middle. Just in between these containers. Now I'll expose for the lights. Nice. Lovely, that'll do. So, I don't know how long this video will be, but like I say, it's just a little POV of my process. I don't really explain much, it was me walking around, but that's sort of the gist of how I do my car photography. I haven't done much of it on here, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see more of it on there. Because that's what I've been focusing on at the minute. But all I do, start wide, leave myself plenty of room around, come in for like mid shots, then in for some details, which I obviously did to start with, the interior and that. And then onto a little bit of videography, a bit of gimbal if I get a chance. Well, that's it. So that's a short little video of just me doing a little photo shoot with the ID Buzz. Yeah, it's been a, lost my seatbelt. Been a nice little shoot. It's a lovely car, van, whatever it is. It's not like a van, is it? It's like a camper, but yeah, nice little things. Well, big things, but yeah, I've enjoyed it. If you guys liked it, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you at next one.